Hey guys, I got a real nice one here. This one is cab high Century Ultra, and this fits the 94 to 04 S10 with the 6-foot bed, the short bed, 75-inch bed. This one's dark indigo blue. It's in very good shape. Not seeing anything really wrong with this one much at all. Top edge and roof looks really good. No damages. Small little scratch right there. Barely anything. That probably would buff out if you really tried. Bottom edge is in good shape. No damage on the bottom edge through here. Has the third side sliders. The front is a sliding window in the front. No damage on the front edge. This one is really, really nice. Sliding window in the front here, slides open to access the truck bed, and then you can close it up, seal it back off again. This side looks really good. Top edge and the top, not seeing any damage here at all. The shine on this top is really good too, so not seeing really anything really wrong with this. Couple little nicks right there, and a little bit of a nick right there, and a couple little small ones right there, but really nothing to write home about. Bottom edge, very good condition. No damage on this bottom edge of this. This one's really nice. This one, so the paint's got a good shine to it still. This one's in really good shape. Does have the double T-handle locking rear door. It's got screens in the sides. The screens are all in good shape. No holes in the screens that I can see. Slider window there. This side, no holes on this screen. There's a serial number there. This is a Crown. It's a 75S, so it's a S10 short bed. It's 39 indigo blue. So there it is. It's a cab high Ultra. I'm sorry, a Crown by Century. Fits the 94 to 04 S10s in dark indigo blue. Really, really nice unit. Just happens to fit an older truck. But if you got a nice S10, you're looking for a nice top, then this is the one you want right here. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So if you want to see where it is, how much we're asking for, any of that information like that, click on that link below. If you want to purchase it online, you can do that there as well. Below also is a link to our website in general. So if you're looking for cap repair parts, locks, T-handles, latches, seals, and stuff like that, that's available there on our website for purchase. As with all our tops, we do not ship these. These are local pickup only. So keep that in mind when you purchase it. You'll want to be able to pick that up at one of our locations and or arrange to have it picked up for you. Thanks for watching.